Hey everyone, welcome back for another episode of Physio Show. It's a constant struggle to maintain good posture while spending hours at your desk. We eventually end up with our heads falling forward and our backs hunching over until we take on a posture that would make Quasimodo blush. And for this reason, I have created today's video to help reduce common aches and pains brought on by all day of sitting. As your go-to rehab guide for all of your physical therapy needs, I'm here to share some great exercises that will not only alleviate neck pain and stiffness, but will also improve your posture. With just a few exercises, I'll help you transition from this to this. And the best part is that these exercises are quick, simple, and require no equipment at all, and can be easily performed at your desk. And make sure to stick around until the end of the video, because I have an additional routine specifically designed to enhance your postural strength, which is an important component to making all of those hours sitting that much less painful. The upper neck is a common site where stiffness develops after prolonged sitting, due to the body's needing to compensate for the forward head posture. Otherwise, you would be looking at your feet all day. Unfortunately, this compensation causes the upper part of the spine to extend excessively, leading to increased strain through this area. To loosen this area up, start by getting into an upright sitting position. Place one hand beneath your chin, with your thumb and fingers gently gripping your jaw. While keeping your gaze forward, slowly bring your chin downward without bending your neck, using a subtle nodding motion. This is called a chin tuck. You should feel a gentle stretch at the base of your skull. Perform this exercise for 10 repetitions, holding for 5 seconds to restore the mobility of your upper neck. This is a great way to loosen those joints and muscles in the upper neck area, which is a common site for stiffness and headaches. The lower neck commonly experiences stiffness as well, but unlike the upper neck, it tends to flex more over time, losing its natural curve. To restore the natural curve of the lower part of the neck, begin by sitting upright in a chair. Place your hand beneath your chin, with your thumb and index finger gently gripping your jaw, just like the previous exercise. Perform a slight nodding motion, assisting the movement with your hand to perform a chin tuck. Now, while maintaining this position, slowly look upward towards the ceiling without losing the chin tuck. You should feel some pressure and stretch in the back of your lower neck. Now, you will not be able to look up at the ceiling all the way, and that's completely fine. Just be sure to maintain the chin tuck position throughout the movement to target the lower part of the neck. Perform this exercise for 10 repetitions, holding for 5 seconds, to help restore the natural curve of the lower part of the neck. Over time, the upper back tends to excessively curve due to the prolonged periods of time spent in a slump position, leading to difficulties in maintaining and even getting into an upright position. The following exercise aims to reduce the excessive curvature in this area and restore the spine's ability to extend. Start by leaning forward and placing your elbows on the desk and your feet flat on the floor. Look down at your feet and lightly rest your hands on the sides of your head. This will help keep your head in a relaxed and neutral position. Using your feet, gently push your body backwards while allowing your chest to drop towards the floor, which will stretch out your upper back. You should feel a gentle pressure in your middle to upper back area. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then return to the starting position. Again, your neck should remain relaxed in a neutral position throughout the movement, so make sure it's not extending. Perform this exercise for 10 repetitions to improve the ability of your upper back to extend and help to regain that upright position. Regaining extension in your spine is important, but it is also important to restore the spine's ability to rotate. After all, our bodies don't move in one direction, but in multiple planes of motion. Our spines need to have the flexibility to rotate as well. This next exercise will help your spine rotate while also providing a nice shoulder and chest stretch. Begin by leaning forward with your feet flat on the floor and place one hand on the lower back. Place your other hand on the opposite thigh. Now turn your body in an attempt to look behind you. You should feel a gentle stretch in your mid-back region. Hold this position for 5 seconds and then return to the starting position. If reaching behind your back is too uncomfortable, you can instead place your hand across your chest. Perform this exercise for 10 repetitions, making sure to perform it on both sides to help improve your back's ability to extend and rotate. And there you have it, a set of 4 quick and easy exercises to keep your body nice and loose and pain-free throughout the day. I highly recommend integrating this routine into your daily schedule, performing it at least twice a day or more frequently if needed to effectively manage your pain and prevent stiffness. Remember, achieving flexibility and pain relief requires consistency and patience. While you may experience immediate improvements in symptoms, it's important to stick with the routine for a couple of weeks, especially if you're significantly tight. Over time, you'll notice a reduction in pain and improved ability to maintain proper posture while sitting. Now that you're more flexible, it's time to get the strength back. Sufficient muscle strength is needed to support yourself in an upright position all day. To complement your flexibility routine, I encourage you to incorporate exercises to strengthen your postural muscles. This will further alleviate pain and enhance your sitting tolerance. Be sure to check out this video, which will bring you through a routine tailored to improving muscular strength. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel so we can continue to be your go-to rehab guide and provide you with everything you need to know to keep moving.